Creating a good character AI bot involves careful planning and creativity to make interactions enjoyable and realistic. Start by defining a clear personality and backstory for your character. Think about their motivations, quirks, and style of communication. This foundation will guide how the bot responds, making it feel more consistent and relatable for users. Next, focus on the bot's language and tone. Decide whether your character is formal, casual, humorous, or serious. Tailor its responses to match this tone, which will help create a strong, engaging personality. To make responses feel natural, consider using varied vocabulary and sentence structures to prevent conversations from feeling repetitive. Training your bot with examples is key. Provide different types of responses to common prompts and encourage flexibility by adding variations to similar questions. This helps the bot adapt to a wider range of interactions, making it feel more responsive and realistic. Finally, test your bot frequently. Engage in conversations as a user would, and adjust responses based on any weaknesses or inconsistencies you notice. A well-tested bot will offer smoother, more believable interactions. Remember, the best AI bots feel like distinct personalities with their own voices, making users want to return to chat again and again.